Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you have a requirement of connecting your television to multiple equipments like PlayStation, or if you have a DVD player, or if you have a Chromecast, everything you want to connect it to your one television and you are having shortage of the ports. So today I have something for you which will switch your connections between the equipments easily. This is made by NOWBOTUCH HDMI switcher. So today in my channel I am going to do an unboxing for this. Before we move further, ensure that you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or specifications that I have to share. So you guys, if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. So guys, this is the box in which you get this HDMI switcher. So let's see what is there on the box first. So it is made by NOWBOTUCH. This is an HDMI high definition multimedia interface. So this is an HDMI switcher, which means you can connect up to 4 devices and it has one output that goes to your PC. This is an HDMI switcher. This supports 3D, Full HD, 1080p and 4K and 2K Ultra HD resolutions. So guys, you can use this switch for multimedia advertisement across your organization, where you can display ads across your organization. Industrial security, also you can connect multiple cameras or multiple video output device for security, and you can display it over one television. So multimedia tagging means you can connect multiple multimedia devices to one display and you can switch across several output devices as you like. Of course, this is for the home application where you can connect multiple devices that you have, your CVD player, your DVD player, your Chromecast, your PlayStation, your gaming stations and everything, using this HDMI switch to one TV that you have at your home. So guys, now let us see what you have at the back. So this shows the connection display that you can make. So you have 4 HDMI input that goes into 4 HDMI input port, and then when you have one HDMI output that goes to your main display or television. It also has an IR extender, so you can keep this device at remote place, and then you can, using this IR extender, you can control it from a different place. So this is a nice feature that you have here. It is the product that supports both 4K and 2K resolutions. So it is made in China. So on the sides you have nothing more. So now let's open and see what is there inside. So inside the box you have another box which is pretty simple box, have no markings. Now let's open and see what's inside this one. When you open this box, first thing that you see is the warranty card or e-gift card. So if you register this product with the manufacturer, you can get some free gifts. So this is what it is. So let's keep this aside. Next thing that you have, HDMI switch user manuals. This guides you through the steps and process which you need to follow to start using this. Pretty much it is plug and play, but if you want you can go through it. It has some technical specifications as well. So I am going to keep this user manual aside. Next thing that you see is the HDMI switch itself. We will see in detail the switch a little later. Now let us see what else is there in the box. Let's remove this. So inside this you get the remote control. It is pretty simple remote control with 4 numbers to switch between the 4 input devices that you have. So I'll keep this aside. Next thing that you get is an IR extender. This is pretty long cable, so I will show you guys later this one as well. So let's keep this aside. And this is the power adapter that you get. This is a 5 volt 1 ampere power adapter that you get along with this one. So let's keep this aside as well. So that is all you have in the box. Let's see one by one each component now. So first thing is the power adapter that you have. So this is a lightweight power adapter. Input is your 100 volt to 240 volt and it outputs around 5 volt and 1 ampere. So this is what you need to power this switch. This is an active switch, so without this power cable it is not going to work. So ensure that it is plugged in whenever you use. So remote, as we saw, it is pretty simple. It just have 4 buttons to switch between the 4 sources that you have. At the bottom you see there is nothing more. It is just protected by this plastic card, the battery which is installed inside, so that it does not discharge. So this is the remote control that you have. Now this is your IR extender. So IR extender, let's open and see how does it look. So you see, this is a big IR extender. This is your IR sensor that you have, and this is a pin through which you connect this IR extender to this HDMI switch. So this is a nice feature to add on, so that you don't have to keep it handy or at a very accessible place always. You can keep it hidden inside the box or inside the place where you keep all your equipments, and then you can, using this cable, extend the IR sensor, so that whenever you want to change the source, you can use this remote control using this IR extender. The signal will be directly transmitted to your HDMI switch. So this is something nice. So let's see the switch itself. So on the switch top, you see it supports HDMI 2.0. This is 4 input and 1 output switcher. This supports 3D Ultra HD 4K at 60 Hz, 18 Gbps speeds, and it has 4 ports HDMI switcher. So obviously it has 4 input ports. It supports HDCP protocol, which is 2.2 version, which is the latest version as of now. On the back, you see you have 4 inputs and 1 output, and this is the place where you plug in your power adapter. This is your power source where you plugged in. At the back, you do not have anything fancy. It is just that 4 rubber pads, so that it does not skid on any surface if you put it. On the front side, you have an IR extender port where you plug in your IR extender cable, and then you have an IR sensor here inbuilt as well. So this is optional. So if you do not want to use this IR extender, you can directly use the IR sensor which is inbuilt in this equipment. And then you have light switches for 4 inputs. The source which is selected will be turned on green, and then you have a selector button as well. So if you do not want to use this remote control to switch between the sources, you can do it manually over this equipment using this switch. The number of times you toggle, it will start switching from one place to another, and it goes into the loop. And this is your power indicator, red dot. So that is all you have on this equipment. On the sides you have the ventilation so that your equipment stays cool. It is made out of metal, so it is sturdy and nicely built. As you can see on the top, it does not say HDR. So if you are looking for an HDR switch, this is not the switch you want to look for. However, it do support 4K. So if your TV is 4K capable and you do not require an HDR, so this is the switch that you can use. So this is it, guys. This is the unboxing of your HDMI switch. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. And also, if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and see you later.